So there's two great projects that I'd like to highlight here when we talk about really advancements in the microgrid field. And the first being the microgrid deployed by Ameren, the electric utility in Southern Illinois. They deployed a microgrid on an entire distribution feeder. So a mix of residential customers, commercial customers, and some utility assets. And they've done some really tremendous things with that system. It uses a mix of wind, solar, natural gas generators, and battery energy storage, all working together. And what they can do is they can seamlessly island the entire feeder to and from the grid. So seamless is important because there's no outage. That's a really big deal for customers on that system. The other part of that system, what they're able to do is they have the latest cybersecurity requirements built into the overall control system that's making all of those decisions automatically happen. And the other piece that they've been acknowledged for is that they've actually been acknowledged by the USGBC, and they've been awarded the Pure Gold standard for this site. It's a big deal. It's actually the first electric utility to be awarded with that certification. And the other site I'd like to talk about where we see some really exciting activity is just north of Toronto in a town called North Bay. So this is where the city and the electric utility work together to be able to produce a resiliency hub for the community. Now the reason this resiliency hub is important is because North Bay was faced, unfortunately, with a couple disasters where they had major power outages. They had a major ice storm, several ice storms, they've had tornadoes, and the ice storms actually resulted in a power outage that lasted a week. It's a really big deal. So in order for the city and the electric utility to provide a place of refuge, what they designed was a resiliency hub. So it's a system, part of the community, where they have some large public buildings that are powered off of natural gas, solar, and battery energy storage. So throughout the year, the system operates all the time, and then in the time of need, the people have a place of refuge to get warm or to charge up their phones.